Hi guys, I'm just here with a quick video to talk about my patterns, templates, and videos. All I wanted to say, in case you don't follow me elsewhere, mostly Instagram is probably the only place I said this, so in case you don't follow me on Instagram, is if you've used my patterns, templates, or videos to help create any of your cosplays, share them with me. I'd love to see them. The best place to share them with me would probably be on Instagram because that's where I mostly post now, and it's easy for me to share it on my story and add them to the highlight that I have going on to feature you guys and your guys' work. I just think it's really cool to see what you guys make with the help of my stuff, and I like to see that my stuff is actually helpful. So yeah, if you want to show it to me, go ahead and show it to me. Again, Instagram is the best place to do this, but obviously you can also send it to me or tag me or whatever in on Facebook or Twitter. I will also see your posts there. So yeah, just tag me in your stuff or send it. Probably not via DM because they filter the images and I don't accept DMs when I don't know what the image is, especially when it's an image. So yeah, tag me in the stuff or reply to a story when I'm like, hey, show me, because I often have little stories on Instagram, hey, show me stuff you've made using this, whatever. Anyways, yeah, that's what I wanted to say is show me the stuff you made because I want to see it. So yeah, I hope you guys do find my videos and templates and stuff helpful. Thanks for listening to this short video, and I hope you enjoyed the little slideshow that I threw together to show all the different costumes I have some sort of template or pattern for or have made a video about. And yeah, have a lovely day. Bye!